So let's start with the second name, that is known as A. P. D. Candolle. So we are going to see of the second scientist with respect to the natural system of classification. Let's see of the time period. It is 1778 till 1884. The first point, he belonged to France. Also considered as Swiss botanist. He also considered many characters for classification. One of the characters was phytogeography. Let's see the basis of classification. Basis of classification. On what basis he has done the classification? Let's see of this. Characteristics of vascular tissues. So this was the basis of classification which was adopted by A.P.D. Candolle. He has written a book. The name of the book is very long. It is Prodromus Systematics Naturalis Regni Vegetabilis. So Prodromus Systematics Naturalis Regni Vegetabilis. This is the name of the book which he has written. In this particular book, he has given a concept of nature war. Now this concept is very important. Here in the nature war, he has said that different species fight with each other for space and resources. By understanding the concept of nature war, Charles Darwin has written Theory of Evolution. This concept, theory of evolution, was actually inspired by the nature war that was given by A.P.D. Candolle. Okay, so theory of evolution has been inspired by nature war, where A.P.D. Candolle has described the different species fight with each other for space and resources. Fine. So which was helpful for Charles Darwin to make theory of evolution. Candolle also gave us some terminologies like taxonomy. Taxonomy was coined by him in 1813. He also gave us the term and introduced the concept of homology. So this was one of the remarkable work of A.P.D. Candolle in natural system of classification. We'll just quickly revise the points. So the time period was 1778 to 1884. He belonged to France, known as Swiss botanist. Okay, he has taken a character, what you call it as phytogeography. The basis of character was the vascular tissues. Okay, he has written a book. Okay, this book has 7 volumes. 7 volumes. Okay, Prodromus Systematics Naturalis Regni Vegetabilis. Okay, this was a book written by him. He gave us very important concept of nature war. Okay, he has given us a concept of nature war, which inspired Charles Darwin to give us the theory of evolution. Okay, so what does the nature war say? Different species are going to fight with each other. Okay, for what? Space and the resource. Clear? He also coined the term that is known as taxonomy in 1830, and he has given us the concept of homology. So this was the work which was done by A.P.D. Candolle. So here we complete the concept of A.P.D. Candolle. Okay, now we'll be seeing up the next concept with regards to Bentham and Hooker. Okay, in natural system of classification. Hope you liked today's video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.